Today we're making peach crisp in the Instant Pot. I'm Nina and I share Instant Pot recipes on my blog paintthekitchenred.com. This peach crisp is made in 2 steps. The peaches are cooked in the Instant Pot and then you make the crisp topping on the stovetop. And I like to use this crisp topping on the peach crisp, but I also like to use it over ice cream, and you can have it as a topping on yogurt and things like that. So it's quite versatile. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Let's get started. You're going to need 1½ cups of old-fashioned oats, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and 1/2 cup of butter. That's 1 stick of butter. 8 cups of peaches sliced into wedges. That's about 6 to 7 ripe peaches. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And not pictured in this photo is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water to thicken the mixture. Add the peaches to the Instant Pot and add in the white sugar and the brown sugar and the cinnamon, lemon juice, and vanilla. Stir everything up carefully. Don't want to break up the peaches too much. You don't need to add any water. Close the lid and pressure cook for 4 minutes on high pressure and do a quick release of pressure. Add in the cornstarch slurry to thicken the peaches and cook it in saute mode until the mixture is thick. To make the crisp topping, mix the oats, the nuts, the flour, brown sugar, and salt. Mix it all together really well and set it aside. Melt a stick of butter in a saute pan and add in the oats mixture and stir constantly over medium heat for about 6 to 8 minutes until it's fragrant and crisp. Transfer the crisp topping to a silicone mat or parchment paper and let it cool completely. If you have extra, you can store it in a glass jar and use it as a topping for anything from ice cream to yogurt. Scoop the peaches into a bowl, top with the topping, and add some vanilla ice cream for a delicious treat. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.